Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk here in the home office, and I want to talk about a brand new feature that we just found out is rolling to Android phones right now. We're talking about Google Pixel phones. If you have a Samsung phone, if you have a Motorola phone, you're going to be getting this update in the background. This might be one of the biggest security updates that Android has seen in quite some time. Let me jump right over to 9to5google.com. Their blog has a pretty good detailed write-up on this new feature, and essentially what Google is rolling out is something called auto restart. iPhone has had this for quite some time. It's about time, frankly, that Google gets this. And what it does is essentially if your phone is locked for 3 consecutive days, your phone will automatically restart. And my first thought was, why the heck does this matter? Well, when you start realizing what that restart does, you start realizing why it actually matters. And let me scroll down here and show you this paragraph right here. It talks about 2 different states when it comes to your Android phone. You have 2 different kind of states that your phone can be in. It can be in BFU or AFU. I don't know who picked that. I can't make these things up, but that's what they're called. And it stands for before first unlock and after first unlock. And essentially what it means is the first time you unlock your phone after powering your phone on, that goes from BFU to AFU. Now, when it's in BFU, when your phone still hasn't been unlocked quite yet, it's a more encrypted phone. That's the most encryption your phone is going to get, which makes sense. You want your phone to be highly protected before you've had a chance to unlock it. And you notice the first time you power your phone on after a restart, you can't use your fingerprint to unlock it. You can't use your face to unlock it. You have to use that code, and this is why. And then from there on out, after you unlock it for that first time, it's in AFU. Right? After first unlock. And you can use your fingerprint, your face, and your information just isn't quite as encrypted as it is with BFU. And the reason this is important is because if somebody finds your phone, you want it to be in that BFU state, not the AFU state. You want it to be before first unlock because your information is more encrypted and they're less likely to get access to anything on your phone. Think of this as the 2 locks on your door. You've got the deadbolt and you've got the normal lock on the handle. If you're home, you probably leave the deadbolt unlocked, and then when you leave the house, you locked that deadbolt. That way, if somebody comes up to your front door, it's a lot more difficult for them to get in versus just that handle being locked, which can be a lot easier. That's sort of what this is like. It's 2 different levels of protection, and Google's basically saying, after 3 days, if you haven't used your phone, you haven't unlocked it at all, we're going to reset the phone to get it back to BFU. That way, if somebody finds it, it's more likely to be in that more highly encrypted mode. I hope that explains it. Let me know if you've got more questions in the comments below. I thought this was super interesting. Big update. Should be rolling out right now. April of 2025 is where we are right now, and you should see that update soon. It's going to be coming as an update to the Google Play services, so it's not a major update that it's going to ask you to update. It'll just update in the background as part of your Play services, which is nice too, that you don't even have to think about this. Hey, if you're into this geeky tech news, this security stuff, cool unboxings, tech reviews, I've got all kinds of cool stuff, and it really helps me out if you subscribe to the channel right here on YouTube. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.